Chapter 9, Standard 7, Soil. In this chapter, we'll read about composition of soil, formation of soil profile, types of soil, properties of soil and the crops. First of all, we have to understand what is soil. So soil is the uppermost layer and it is very nature that means it is a natural resources, important natural resources, and it is the uppermost layer of the earth. It supports the growth of the plants by holding the roots firmly and supplying water and nutrients. It is the home of many organisms. Soil is essential for agriculture, essential for the and providing food and shelter to many organisms. Soil is thus essential part of our life. Composition of soil. Soil is what? Soil is a loose material which lies on the uppermost layer of the earth crust. It is a mixture of rock particle, sand, layer of dead and decayed plant and animal remains called humus. The main constituents of the soil are humus, gravel, sand, silt and clay. In addition to these, soil also contains some inorganic salt such as nitrate, phosphate, sulfate, etc. Air and water are also present in the soil. Soil profile. A vertical section through different layer of soil is called the soil profile. Each layer differs in feel, texture, color, depth and chemical composition. These layers are known as horizons. Horizons of soil. Soil are divided in three horizons. First one is A horizons, B horizons and C horizons. Parts of soil. Soil weathering of rocks produces small particles of various materials. These include sand and clay depends upon the rock from which the particles were formed. That is the present rock. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. Living organisms such as bacteria, plant roots, and earthworms are also important parts of any soil. Weathering. The soil is formed by the breaking down of the rocks by the action of wind, water, and climate. This process is known as weathering process. Depending upon the relative amount of the particles and the texture, soils are classified into three main types. First one is the sandy soil, second one is clay soil, and third one is loamy soil. First one is sandy soil. Proportion of big particle is more. Well aerated due to the small spaces between its particle, it is light and dry. Second one is clay soil. Proportion of the fine particle is more, little air between particles, more water holding capacity and used to make pots, statues and toys. Third one is the loamy soil. Amount of fine and big particle is same. Loamy soil, that means it is a part of the clay soil plus sandy soil plus silt and right water holding capacity, best soil for the plants. Loamy soil is the best soil for the plant. Sandy soil, cotton, gram, barley, maize, millet, etc. Clay soil, that means cereals like wheat, gram, paddy, etc. Loamy soil